Kauppakatu 13, Kotka staircase B. Team 1986, H64210.
Look at that. Spider waiter. It's a Kone spider. Hey, should we scare it, Lucas? When we arrive at the first floor, should we show the spider under there? Should we? It will be funny.
No, it doesn't stick there.
But should we prank Lucas and throw the spider to there? He will get scared immediately. Should we do it?
Well,
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yes. Should we do it?
we're gonna take it.
4 person 325 kilograms. Inspected by expectant maintained by Kone.
Just have memory.
I think not. Oh, strange. It's quite rare.
Yep. Well, what has a magnet? It doesn't stick here. Or anywhere.
It's a stop button.
Yeah. Doesn't work.
Hello, Mr. Spider. That's it.
That's it.